Hi, I'm Lottie Murphy and I'm a wellness and foodie blogger here in London, and I'm going to be showing you some of my favourite recipes today. So we've got a tahini, sea salt and manuka honey snack ball. These are so delicious, really simple to make. We're going to be using tahini, ground almonds, sea salt, sesame seeds and manuka honey, and we're using today a really high concentrate of MGO levels, 525, so a really good amount of antibacterial properties in there, and it adds a really nice flavour with the tahini as well. So we're starting off with 150 grams of ground almonds here, and we're going to add a nice big pinch of salt, so the salt just really works well. So we're just going to mix that sea salt into these ground almonds. Okay, so now we're going to add the manuka honey to the tahini. So I'm just going to stir that together and make like a really thick paste. So that's all fully stirred together now. We're going to add it in with the ground almonds and the sea salt. And then we're just going to stir that all together. I would usually just use my hands. It makes it all nice and doughy and stick together well. So just make sure obviously your hands are nice and clean when you're dealing with the food. Okay, so now we've got it into that one larger ball. We're gonna let it just firm up in the fridge for about 10 minutes so it's easier to handle when we roll it into the smaller balls and then into the sesame seeds. Okay, so it's been 10 minutes and now we're going to roll it up into the balls. And so I just like to kind of halve it again. So I'm gonna roll these into a little ball. Okay, so, and then just gonna roll those in the sesame seeds and pop it on this plate. Yeah. So yeah, these will probably last sort of 3 to 5 days, depends on how long you can keep them there without eating them. Just finishing off this last ball now, pop it on the plate, and then I'm going to transfer these to the freezer for about 10 minutes just to really firm up, and then keep them in the fridge for as long as you're going to be eating them for. So you can keep them in an airtight container, although if you're having them with friends and family and throughout the day, then just keep them on the plate. So there you have it, they're your tahini, sea salt and manuka honey snack balls. Enjoy!